Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today new topic of algebraic expression of class 8, multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Clear my dear? Already we learned monomial. Monomial is the algebraic expression having only one term. How we can multiply a monomial by monomial and where we have to use this. Just see my dear. First of all, the first example is here 5 comma x. 5 is alone here constant and it is x variable only, means this one is also one term, this one is one term. Monomial by monomial, that is 5 into x. 5 into x, already we know multiplication means repeated addition. 5 into x means x plus x plus x plus x. 1 2 3 4 5, that is equal to 5 into x. Clear my dear? By this way we can multiply a constant term and a variable or constant term by a monomial. That is 5 into x is equal to 5x. One more example, that is 3x into 2y. 3x into 2y means 3x is one monomial and 2y is second monomial. That is 3x into 2y. In this, what we have to do? Both the terms having variable as well as coefficient. What we need to do? One thing we have to keep in mind, we have to multiple coefficient with coefficient. This into this. Clear my dear? In next step here, we are going to write here 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means coefficient with coefficient. That is 3 into 2. And now x into y, that is into x into y. We can write it as 3 into 2 into x into y. That is 3 2 are 6. Here x into y, 6xy. One thing you have seen, this one is monomial, this one is monomial. Monomial multiplied by monomial and our result is also monomial. Clear my dear? So monomial into monomial is equal to monomial. Means the product of two monomials is always a monomial. Is always a monomial. And one thing we have to keep in mind, we have to multiple coefficient with the coefficient, variable with the variable, x into y. Clear? Now next, one more example. First we multiplied 5 and x, monomial by monomial, then 3x and 2y, and now 4xy into 2x square y square into x cube y cube. Here we have to multiply three monomials together. Monomial into monomial into monomial. Clear? Just see here. 4xy, 2x square y square, x cube y cube. What we have to do in this? Already I told you that we have to multiple coefficient by coefficient. Here coefficient is 4. Here 4. Here coefficient is 2 into 2. Clear my dear? Here isn't anything coefficient, but when already we have discussed it in previous lecture, when here isn't anything, what we can write 1. So we can write here 1. Clear my dear? Means these are the coefficients. So what is here? X. Here is x square. Here is x cube. Means x into x square into x cube. Why? Because here x is x square x cube. And here x into x square into x cube. And then what's here? Here it is y. Here y square. Here y cube. Here y cube. Now what we will do? 4 2 are 8. 8 1 are 8. Just see my dear. Here x raised to power 2, x raised to power 3. This is x raised to power 1. Already you have learned in previous chapter exponents. There we have learned one law, that is laws of exponent. First law that we have already learned, When bases are same, powers are added. Here bases are same, powers are added. So we can write it here x. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So we can write here x raised to power 6. Clear? Now next, here it is 1. Here also base is what, my dear? Y. And this power is here 1, 2, 3. Bases are same, powers are added. So here 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. It is a y raised to power 6. Means, or in other words, or by another method, we can write it directly. 4xy into 2x square y square into x cube y cube. Just see here. Here it is 4, 2, 1. 4, 2 are 8, 8, 1 are 8. So we can write it here 8. Here it is x square into x, that is x cube into x cube, that is x raised to power 6. Again, what we are doing? Bases are same, powers are added. And here y square, here y cube, here y into y raised to power 1 into y raised to power 2, that is y cube into y cube, that is y raised to power 6. Then what we can say? 8x cube, 8x raised to power 6, y raised to power 6. But again we have seen that here monomial into monomial into monomial, and result is also monomial. This we have to keep in mind. When we multiply 2 or more than 2 monomials, result is always a monomial. Now, where we use already next exercise, there is given. Okay, yes. Let this our rectangle. Length of rectangle is 2x. Breadth is 5z. We have to find area. We know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is 2x into 5z. Clear, my dear? Here 2 into 5 is, we have to find the area of the rectangle in exercise. Next exercise, that is length is given 2x, breadth is given 5z. Same way you will do that very exercise. Length is 2x, breadth is 5z. We have to find area. Area is equal to length into breadth. What's our length? That is 2x. What's our breadth? 5z. And now we have to find it as area. 2 into 5. Why? We have to multiply coefficient with coefficient. 2, 5 are 10. X into z, we can write directly xz or z x. This is area of this rectangle. And now, where we have to use 3 multiply, when we have to multiply 3 monomials together. For example, we have to find the volume of cuboid. In same exercise, dimensions of cuboid are given. For example, its length is 2x, breadth is 5y, and height is 7z. We have to find its volume. What is volume of cuboid? That is length into breadth into height. What's our length? That is what, my dear? 2x into, what's our breadth? That's 5y. And what's our height? That is 7z. So we have to multiply these 3 together, and you will multiply these 3 monomials together, and you will write the answer in comment box. Allah Hafiz.